Today we'll be discussing about how to create your own module, how to create a user-defined module. So that is the concept. For this, I have opened Idle. Idle is a very convenient tool where we can certainly demonstrate how user-defined module can be created. Okay. So user-defined module is nothing but it's also a Python file stored as .py, and you can store it. You can store it as .py file in the same library folder. You can store it in the library folder, and of course, you can execute that. Okay, and it will be ready. When you import it in the other file, so you have to give the name of that same file. Right. Right. So 1 second. Yeah. Now let us see. I think you already know help if you give modules. So what is that it is doing? It is displaying all the modules that are installed in your computer. Okay, let me see. Let us wait for 1 or 2 seconds, couple of seconds, and it will run, it will open. Right. Yeah, it will open. It will list all the modules that are there, that are installed in my machine, that is there in my library folder. Okay, Python library folder. You may be asking a question, sir, where is this Python library folder available? Yes, it is a lib folder where you will get it. Okay, look at here. For class purpose, I have created Rajini. Dr. Rajini Narayan has created one module, and Rupa Madam, Rupa has created another module. Right. So let me import this. Import Rupa. Yes, I imported Rupa. If I say help Rupa, it is giving, there is a function called RNSIT. That's all. Do you have any instructions given in this? What is this function is doing, and how this function works? Do you have any information? No, we did not get any information at all. This is one module. Let me import Rajini module. Import Rajini. I just say help Rajini. Oh, when I help Rajini, it is saying, it is having a function called NCR. This function calculates the NCR value, where you take n and r are integer, the number of ways of choosing r objects from n, where the order does not matter. Okay, that's fantastic. And NCR is calculated using the formula n factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Yes, fantastic. It is given. And another function, this is another function, NPR. This calculates the NPR, permutation, number of permutations. Number of permutations of n distinct objects taken for r at a time. Is NPR is calculated using the formula n factorial by n minus r factorial. This is defined by Dr. Rama Satish. Okay, this is Dr. Rajini Narayan. Okay, so this is, and it is available in the file rajini.py. And one of student asked in the chat box, sir, where is this library files are located? Remember, in your system also, it is installed in a user Srivatsa app data, local programs, Python 3.6, that is 36-32. In this folder, actually I have given library, the path, library path. So what are all the Python programs, .py programs I store in this, they act like libraries. They act like libraries, are modules. So let me show you, I think, okay, take Yash, my favorite, one of my, another favorite student, Yash. Okay. I create, if I run the list of modules, Yash module is not there. You can see W, X, Y, Z, Y, A is not there. You can see Y, Yash, T, U, V, W, X is there, Z is there. Yash, Y is not there. Okay. I create a module. Now go to File, New. Go to File and New. Okay. Here, I create def. I create a function. Okay. Let me call this function as sum n. Okay. Sum n, where I take variable length arguments. Okay. Yes, that is n comma star var c. Var c I just take. Sum is equal to n for I in var c. Okay. Certainly I can write sum plus is equal to I. This you have already done. Return sum. Okay. File save. Look at here. File save. I say I'm saving this file. I call this file as Yash. Y-A-S-H. Yash. Yes. I save it as Yash. Now I close this file. Now let us run the list of modules that are there. Yeah. As soon as you do it, Yash module has come. Look at here. Yash module has come. Yeah. Good. Akshay Hegde. Yeah, you can also do it later. So once class is over, you can also do it in your lab sessions. You can do it. That's nothing wrong. Yeah, Akshay Hegde. All are created or by default in the lib folder. Yes, it is lib folder only. It is created. All the files are created in lib folder only. If you open this idle and if you save like this, automatically it is stored in the lib folder only. Yeah. Now I import Yash. Okay, it is imported. And help Yash. If I say, it will give only the function name, that's all. It is not giving a description. Help text it is not giving. Sir, very bad, sir. How to give description? Now, before we do how to give description to that particular function that will appear in help. Okay, the description text, whatever you give, is called doc string. It is called doc string. It is called doc string. In the examination, they ask, what is a doc string? Doc string is a document help string that is being given along with the definition of function, definition of class, a definition of methods, just to tell the purpose of that particular function or class or method. Okay, that is what you call it as docstring. So before we do some modification to Yash module, we had to unimport. We have imported, right? We have to remove that from the memory. How to remove from the memory? Very simple. Del Yash, do it. Gone. Yash, which is imported, is removed. But it will be there in the list. But it will be there in the list. You can see. But it will be there in the list. Don't worry. It will be there in the list, but only your imported Yash module will not be available in the memory. It is there. It is there in here in the list. It will be there. List of modules. It will be there. But when you say help Yash, whatever we have imported, it is taken out from the namespace. So that's why we get name error. Now, open the file. That is yash.py. Open it. Yeah. Inside the function, in triple quotes, you write this function, adds sum of, adds all the variables, adds variable length arguments. Okay, you can also write designed in MCA class. Okay, you can write 2-line text. You can also write syntax. Okay, sum n number, any number, comma, a list of numbers. And this is optional. That's why I write it in, okay, list of option. Okay. You can also write returns sum of arguments, variable length arguments. Okay, you can write it like this. I just save it, go to file, save. Yes. Oh, sorry. I closed. Instead of close, I pressed exit. I have to open idle again. Idle. Okay. So I just open idle again. As I open idle again, yeah. As I open idle again and import Yash. Okay. Before that, let us see help modules. So it will gather first all the modules, the built-in modules as well as user-defined modules, and it will prepare a list. It will prepare a list. Our popular module Yash is also there. Yeah, Yash is also there. It is here. Yeah, Yash is also there. Now, import Yash. Import Yash. Sorry, I left a space. YASH. Import Yash. Done. Sorry, import Yash. Yeah, that bracket we are not supposed to give. Right? Yeah. And now you give help. Yash. Huh. See, Yash has a function. This function adds variable length arguments designed in MCA class. Syntax is so and so, and it returns the sum of all the variables. Wow, so fantastic. If you write your own module, if you write your own function, if you write comments like this comments, we call it as docstring, and docstring will certainly help to understand or to explain why this particular function is designed for. You'll easily understand. Hope you all understood. This enhances the readability of your code, whatever you have written. Okay, same thing. If I open Rajini madam's, Python file, she might have done the same thing. You can see Rajini madam's file. She might have done the same thing. Look at here. She has written all the comments. You can see she has written all the comments. This is the comment for the NCR, and this is the comment for NPR. Number of format. It is number of combinations. Here number of permutations. And in both program they have used built-in function called factorial. Built-in function called factorial. Built-in function. Factorial is a built-in function. Okay, you do not have to create a separate function for factorial. No, it is already there in the library, built-in function. She has used factorial of n, factorial of n minus r, factorial of r. It is doing, and it is calculating NCR. Yes, returning NCR. The same way, n factorial by n minus r factorial is NPR. Yes, it is written. But in between, you observe, it is written, the help text is written within triple quotes. Close. Yes. Now, I can import Rajini, help, Rajini. Yeah, it is displaying. I can use, how to use yesh.sum n. Very simple. I have imported yesh.sum n. I give 5, 7, 8, 2, 2. Just give. It is returning 22. Yes, fantastic. Yesh is a module that I have created, and it is finding the sum of all arguments, variable length arguments. So it is giving. Similarly, Rajani.ncr, I give n as 6 and r value as 3. Okay. There is a problem in program number line. Okay. Factorial. Okay. Factorial of 6. Okay. Let me see. dir __ buildins, builtins __. So it will give list of all the functions. Sorry, factorial is a mathematical functions. Import math, help math. Yes, it's a mathematical function. Look at that. GCD. Factorial is a mathematical function, and mathematical model, that is module, is not imported. So I have to go to open module, open Rajani. Where is it? Rajani. And here from math import factorial. So I save file, save this, yeah, close it. Yeah. Now if I call Rajani dot NCR, I have to give number of combinations, N value 6, C value, R value 3. Yeah, factorial is not defined because I had to undefine the, whatever changes I have made, it is not updated. So I had to del Rajini and I have to import again Rajini. Yes. Now, okay, it is not updated. So I have to exit from, so whatever I have changed is not been updated, because in the namespace, once you import the module, okay, it will not be altered. Okay, import Rajani. Now Rajani dot NCR 6, 4. It is giving 15 is the answer. Because earlier in the import, when I imported Rajini, math lib was not there. Now, when I add a new statement into Rajini Rajini module, that is not reflected. So I have to restart the idle, the environment itself. Okay. Same way, Rajini.npr 6, 4. Yeah, 360 is the answer. That is, number of permutations is 360. Number of combinations is 15, NCR. So, NPR and NCR, I got it. Same way, import Yash. You can give help Yash. As well as you can write Yash dot SUMN. You give 5, 6, 4, 3, 2. 20 is the answer. This is how you got. Now, with this, you might have understood how to create your own module. How to create your own module. Very simple. Not only this, you can import, one module in another module. You can import. Yes. What I do, I create a new file. I import Rajani, Yash. I import both. I say n is equal to integer of input, enter n value, same way r is equal to integer input, enter r value. I will take n and r value, then print NCR is equal to Rajani dot NCR n, r. You see, it is displaying the help text also. Print NPR is equal to Rajani dot NPR. Look at that, n and r. See, the help text, whatever I have given, it is displaying here. Observe here as a tooltip. So that is the beauty of Python. Whatever docstring that you give, that docstring is giving here for help text. N comma R. You see the syntax also it is taking. Yes. And print sum of 1 to 10 is, you can see, yash dot sum n. I can give 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8 comma 9 comma 10. Yes. And I can close. I'm using different file, different program. In that program, I'm using Rajani module. I'm using Yash module. Okay, file. I give a save. You can store now anywhere. I call it as class demo or mod demo. Okay, mod demo.p Python. Now I go to here, run module. If I run, so it is asking enter the n value. N value I give it as 8. Enter R value. I enter it as 3. You see, NCR is equal to 56. NPR is equal to 36. Sum of 1 to n. 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8 comma 9 comma 10. It is passed to the Yash sum and it is returning the value and it is displaying. See, in this class, before I end, we discussed about how to create user-defined module, how to create document text or document string. What is the use of document string? And how to use user-defined module in another program. So that's all for today's class. Thank you. So kindly type in your attendance in the chat box. Meghana, you are there? Please note down the attendance.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please note.
Yes, sir. Already taken.
Yes, thank you, Meghana. Thank you, Meghana. Yeah. Thank you. That's all for today's class. Okay. Until then, have a wonderful day. Thank you.